Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I'm going over the Enoze 110 series RTR. This is the Enoze 9203E slash 9200E. It also comes in this Jeep, hardtop Jeep body, the 04E, and the short course truck, which I haven't seen available, the 001E. So you might have seen some of my other videos. I went over the 118 series, which I'm a big fan of. Enoze is also known as PX Toys. I got this one specifically from Amazon special, awesome deal. But otherwise, they do come available from the China sites. I'll have an unboxing at the end of this video, but awesome deal. I'm a big fan of these RCs. It took me a while to jump on it, but I finally did, and I'm glad I did. But I also wanted to give a comparison to a competitor, and right here that would be the ZD Racing 110 series. This is a Truggy kit that I put together, but both claiming to be 110 series, off-brand or hobby grade China RCs, budget RCs, as I like to call them. But good overview. So let's start with this guy. Great deal. I got it from Amazon. Super fast shipping because of that. And that particular deal came with two bodies. As you saw, the monster truck body on the manual picture, and also this off-road buggy body, which is really cool. Comes with the functional spare tire, which is awesome. And here's a shot of the inside. 540 brush motor, 1800 milliamp battery pack. Comes with two of them. Gives you some spare parts. So the Amazon deal was really awesome. It even gives you this spare light rack in there. Functional front lights, which is cool. So altogether, a very nice, well put together package. You can see the metal dog bones, axles, and actually not dog bones, but one great feature of this RC is oil fillable shocks. So these do not have oil in them currently, but I can put oil in them, which is one of the major selling points for me. I'm a big fan of oil shocks. I think it changes the performance drastically. But here's a shot of it before I get into the actual comparisons. And if you take a look at the ZD Racing 110, and just off the bat, when I said claimed 110, you can see there's a noticeable difference between the wheelbase of these two 110 series. The width is a little bit different. If I centered them, you could see the difference, but both of them being off-road buggy slash truggies, they do have a wider wheel set stance, but definitely in the wheelbase, that's a pretty big difference. And another difference of that, so again, this is the kit, but this is the basic layout of it. You got your servo ESC motor, and here dedicated slot for full-size battery. That is the drawback for me in this one, because it doesn't accommodate a full-size battery. But this particular package came with two of them. It's not bad, and for really the value of what it is, it's pretty good. But this does have a sealed receiver box, which is kind of nice, and also has oil fillable shocks. These I did put oil, so you can see the difference in how these two drop. You get some bounce here, and you get a nice thud right here. So for performance and controllability, it makes a pretty big difference, and something I always recommend. Here you also got metal axles, but you do get these stabilizer slash sway bars, which is pretty cool. I don't know how well they function. I can't speak to that, but I think it's a great feature. But getting down into the comparison of these two, um, you can order this in a RTR brushless, and as of now that I'm shooting the video, the price difference is about $50. Um, and the difference being though is this guy is available with fast shipping from Amazon, and with the package of 2 batteries, an extra body, it's an excellent deal, especially if you're just getting into hobby grade RCs. Very cool. This guy, the RTR package, I don't know how well it comes packed, but shipping takes forever from all the Chinese sites, so that is a major negative to it. But for the value, it's still good if you have patience. If you're already well into your hobby, your RC fleet, this is definitely a great pickup. The kit version is even cheaper. I got mine for 80 bucks, and if you have a bunch of these spare parts laying around, you could slap one of these together really easily. So definitely this is something I recommend if you're already deep in the hobby or already into the hobby. This guy is a great starter to get yourself into the hobby. Parts availability are pretty similar. This may be even better now that Amazon is selling this series. Again, it does come with a different, in many different off brands, but the main brand will be Enoze or PX Toys. But I believe, let's see, if you get into the RTR, this comes with a better transmitter. I can't remember off the top of my head what it was, but this one comes with the standard PX Toys 3 AAA battery. You'll see it in the unboxing at the end. But definitely two great quote unquote 110 scale RC cars. Have a lot of fun with this one. I don't doubt I'll have a lot of fun with this one. This one is highly regarded. Lots of reviews out there mentioning exactly what it is, a great value RC. I actually wanted the 9204 because of that hardtop Jeep body, and this plastic is actually hard plastic, kind of like this roll cage also, which is a really nice touch, and it has the spare tire on the back. If I had gone that route, I would have had to order it from China, and shipping would have taken forever, and I would have paid the same price. Not having the extra battery or the extra body, so I decided to just go with this one and deal with it. If I could find a spare Jeep body in the future, I'd love to. And if I could find a spare short course truck body like this, I would love to. But in my opinion, this is probably more of a 1/12 scale RC. Probably more comparable to the FY08. Short course truck size. I don't have it with me at the moment, but both great RCs. Here's a shot of them together, and highly recommended. Thanks for watching.